nothing says summer like lemonade. And even though it's the end of summer, almost, I'm not quite ready for fall. So I decided to do this series of vlog posts on my lemon table scape. So today we're gonna start with glass etching. And as you can see here, we're going to learn how to make this adorable glass made from upcycled wine bottles that have this adorable rosette on the bottom for your lemonade or adult beverage of choice. So, but before we get into that tutorial, I want to welcome you to the YouTube channel for Revive Heart and Home, where it is my goal here to help you decorate your home in both eco-friendly and budget-friendly ways. So let's get squeezing some lemonade. Yep, start drinking that wine. I found these wine bottles at Costco, but there are other places too. Look at that super cute carved rose design on the bottom. For this part, you'll need hot water, your bottle, razor scraper, my favorite tool, and some Goo Gone. And of course, paper towels. Put the bottle in the hot water, let it soak, and then start scraping away. Once it's dry, take some Goo Gone and wipe off all that extra adhesive. Okay, you'll want to grab yourself a G2 bottle cutter and assemble it so it looks like this. And then decide how tall you want your wine glasses to be and put that green thing in the top and adjust the apparatus on the point of the bottle where you want to score it. And then again, put that green thing in the top and gently and very carefully apply pressure with the apparatus to the bottle at a 90-degree angle, just like this. Take your hand and gently turn the bottle counterclockwise while you hear a little light scraping on the glass. That means that it's scoring it, so continue to turn the bottle until you've rotated it 360 degrees. Once you are done, you will see a very light line on the glass and you will know that you did it right. Now it's time to separate the bottle. Boil some water, create an ice bath, grab your bottle, submerge it in the hot water for 5 seconds, and then do the same in the ice bath. Go back and forth multiple times until your bottle separates. Okay, grab your glass, the lemon stencil from a Maker Studio etching cream, and a stiff bristle brush along with some painter's tape. Take your lemonade stencil, apply it to the glass, and then take your painter's tape and apply it around so you don't get any etching cream on the glass where you don't want it to be. Then you're going to take your etching cream, pour it in a glass, grab your stiff bristle brush, dip it in the etching cream, and then swirl it on over the stencil in multiple directions for a minimum of 2 minutes, up to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you want the etch to be. When you're done, take off the tape and the stencil, and then gently rinse your glass in some cold water to remove any excess etching cream. Look at your new glasses. Now that's not real lemonade. I just put in some food coloring so you could see it better, but you get the idea. Enjoy your glasses. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching all the way till the end.